You must have listened about AI influencer, Instagram models in talking head photos. They are trending on social media and many creators are using talking photos to boost their reach. DID Studio is one of the best talking photo generators, but the problem is that you have to pay to generate videos on DID. So don't worry. Still, you can create videos for free and most importantly without any watermark like DID. So without further ado, let's dive in. You are watching YT Algorithm 2.0. First of all, we need a portrait photo to make our talking avatar. If you already have one, you can skip this part to generate the image. You can use any image generator tool. I will use Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo AI dashboard, select the image generator tool. From here, now delete the existing prompt if needed. After that, enter a new prompt to generate the image. And I am entering a most beautiful lady looking at the camera captured through the lens of 35mm photography. Hyper detailed photography, full face, long hairs, hyper realistic, cinematic portrait photo. You can use this prompt or you can customize it as per your need. After entering the prompt, select a fine-tune model from here and I will go with Leonardo Kino XL. After that, select the aspect ratio from here and I will go with 9:16. After all is set, hit the generate button from here. Now it will take some time to generate the images and here is our result. Leonardo AI generates 4 images for us. Now you have to select the best one. If you are unsatisfied with the result, you can always regenerate your result. Once you find your desired image, download it by clicking on the download icon. Alright, our avatar image is ready now. It's time to generate a voiceover for our character. If you want to use your own voiceover, then it's great. Otherwise, you can generate voiceover with an AI voice generator like Lemon Lab. I'll generate a voiceover with Lemon Lab. After coming to the Lemon Labs homepage, log into your account or create a new account with your Google or email account. After successfully creating the account, your interface will be like this. Now select a voice actor from here. After that, adjust the voice setting. Next, enter the script in this box. After all is set, hit the generate button. Once it is completed, you can preview the audio. If you are satisfied, click on the download button to save the audio on your device. Alright, our photo and audio clips are ready now. Let's move forward to the next step. Open your browser and search for talking heads. Click on the first result. This is the talking heads interface. Here you can create unlimited talking heads. Even you don't have to create an account to create talking avatars video. Simply click on generate talking heads. From here, now you will find some default avatar. Here you can use them if you want, but as we already created our avatar photo, I will go with upload your own photo. After coming to this page, click on the plus icon from here and upload the image created by Leonardo AI. Once your image has been uploaded successfully, click on the next step. From here, now you can input audio in 3 formats. You can upload or use video clips, audio clips, or you can generate audio from text. As you already generated the audio, come to the audio tab and then select upload your own audio. There are 2 options. You can upload an audio file or record yourself. After uploading the audio clip, hit the next button. From here now, if you want a head avatar only, then select the first option, and if you want the full avatar, then select the second option. After all is set, hit the generate talking head button. Now it will take some time to generate our talking avatar. Let's fast forward this part. Now here you can see a preview. You must be thinking the result is horrible and there is a watermark on the video. You can remove the watermark by clicking here, but then you have to buy a subscription plan. However, I promise that you don't have to pay a single penny and I will keep my promise to avoid the watermark. We have to manipulate our avatar photo before generating the talking head video. To do this, first open a new tab and log into Canva. Once you log into Canva account, after coming to Canva home page, create a new design with 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. After that, upload the avatar image and insert the image on the canvas. Now adjust the size like me. Keep some space on the top of the image. After that, click on the edit button from here. Come to the crop tab and then select the expand option. Now we have to select the size. Select 9:16 from here and then adjust the position like me. Be sure it covers the whole frame. After that, hit the magic expand button. From here, it will generate 4 variants of your image. select one of them and then download it on your device. After downloading the image, come back to Talking Heads and start the process again. Click here to go to the home page, then click here and then remove your existing photo and upload the new photo. After that, upload the audio file and generate the talking video. After generating the talking video, simply download it by clicking here. Our video is ready now. We have to enhance the video to solve the video quality issue, and to do this I will make use video enhancer. Click here and then upload your talking head video. It will start enhancing after uploading the video. Once it completed, download the video on your device. Now our video quality is good enough, but there is still the watermark. To solve this issue, I will use a video editor, CapCut. After coming to CapCut video editor, click on create new and then select 9:16 as the aspect ratio. After that, upload the enhanced video and insert it on the timeline. Now adjust the size to make sure the watermark is out of the canvas. After that, click on the export button to download the video. Alright guys, our talking avatar is ready. Let's enjoy it together. I think that's an impressive video. Although you can generate a talking video in just a few clicks on DID, the quality is also better there. But in this method, you can generate unlimited talking avatar for free. Alright friends, I will wrap up the video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with generating a talking photo avatar. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stuff and tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating, keep on learning.